Welcome back to the Cape Coral Fort Myers in Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Southwest Cape Coral on this beautiful day. Check this day out. It's amazing. And I have this beautiful home here to show you. It has 2,427 square feet under air. And it's a beauty. It's a golf access. And wait until you see the deck that has on the back and the dock, you're gonna love it. As you can see, it has a beautiful landscape. Check out this beautiful landscape. Okay, let me tell you a little bit more. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a half bathroom in the pool area. Okay, so I'll show you when we get inside. So let's not take too much of your time, and let's go. As you walk in, you're welcome with this beautiful double door. Okay, with a nice high entrance. You're welcome in this living room. Very spacious. And you can see the pool from here, see? And actually, if you have your boat outside, you can see the boat too. I hope the camera is doing justice and you can see it. But soon we'll go out there. Let me go a little bit around here. This is where your dining room will go. Okay, but first, let's take over the master bedroom first, and then we'll walk through the rest of the house, because this house is really nice size and it's very nice. So this is the master bedroom. Very big size. As you can see, you have those French doors that lead outside to the pool area. Let me move here so you can visualize the size of this room. And then you have a closet over here and another closet over here. Okay, and here you got your bathtub, your toilet closet with a window. A lot of you guys like it with a window. And here's your vanity with your double sink and your real nice walk-in shower. I mean, I can tell you that the location of this property for people that want to go boating, very good location, very close to the Tarpon Point area and to the river, so you could be in minutes. If you'd like to know the price, remember, scan the barcode on the screen or go on the description below. Okay, now we're going into the kitchen. We move around so you can visualize. Very nice big kitchen. And what I like most about this kitchen is this window right here. The through window that leads out to the pool. Check this out. Is that nice or what? Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms on this side. Like I said, it has 4 bedrooms, so this is bedroom number 2. I saw you're the master already. Let's call this one bedroom number 2. And what is nice about this bedroom is that it has a door that leads to the bathroom, to the guest bathroom. Let me show you. See? So if you have guests, they could close that other door and they have their own bathroom. Let me come over here, show you the bathroom. As you can see, everything's in great condition. This home shows really good. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at bedroom number 3. Stand over here. Nice size. You can have a really nice big closet there. Now Now let's go over and take a look at the family room. This is the room that I like. First, you have here like a little area for breakfast. And check out the views that you have from here, the views that you got of the pool and the canal. Now we're here, this is the family room. Check out the size of this room and the view. Check that out. With nice high ceilings. And then over here, you got bedroom number 4. Yeah, right now they're actually using it as an office, but it has a closet, so it's considered a bedroom. And it's nice size too. Okay, now let's go out and see what all you guys want always to look at. The beautiful pool and the canal and the dock. So over here, check out this real nice area to sit down and relax and enjoy your day out here in the pool. And check out the window that I showed you before from the kitchen from the other side. Check out that nice through window that you can, pass the drinks or pass the food from the kitchen. And let me show you from this angle here. Let me adjust the camera a little bit because we're coming outside. Okay. Okay, now, you see that door over there? That's that half a bath that I was talking about. These 2 doors there, they're the one that lead to the master. And this is the half a bath you have out here. Okay, and he also has a window. Okay, so let's check out this pool. Very nice size, well maintained. And another thing you might like about this home, check out the height that you have here. Look how high this home is. Give you another look here at the pool. Also, I forgot to tell you, it has shutters. So this will roll down. This over here rolls down, and it helps you protect this area here. Okay, so if you have storms or bad, tropical storm is coming over and you have a afternoon thunderstorm, you could just close it down so you don't get that area there wet. That's very nice to have there. Okay, now let's go outside and take a look at the dock and the backyard. Oopa, sorry about that. Okay, let's go down. Let's go all the way to the corner. Okay, so you can see the dock from here. See, nice thing about it, when you put your boat there, you don't have to, wash it that often because it's covered. That really helps take good care of it. I'm gonna go down to the end. I could show you that over here it has a platform, like in case you want to go kayaking. See, you got a jet ski, you could just get in there. Easy to get in and out. That's a nice platform, and when a lot of people here do kayaking, and it's very nice to have that. And let me show you here, you got a really nice side yard here. And like I was telling you before, look how high this house is. Until we get to the dock so you can actually visualize it better. So if you have pets, it's fenced in, so your pets won't go into the water. Okay, let me stand over here in this corner here. And you have this beautiful area here where you can just sit down and relax. and enjoy the views. What I was telling you about the height, check out how high this home is. Well, like I said before, if you would like more information on this property, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen, and I'll give you the full report and the status and the price of the property. Okay, so for you guys that stayed all the way to the end of the video, if you would like the free map for next year, we're offering a map and a calendar for Christmas now. So you can actually call us. Soon I'm going to put a link that you can actually register, so I can send you the calendar and the map. And the map will be from Cape Coral, showing you all the canals names and the bridge heights. So something very good to have if you're planning to buy on the water. Okay, so signing off from Southwest Cape Coral. See you on the next video.